The fact that you're watching this means that you're serious about becoming a good pastelist. After years of working as a professional artist and art instructor, I've tried to put into words and video the most important things I've learned about the wonderful world of pastel painting. I'm hoping to simplify the process for you by presenting the fundamental principles behind good painting and detailing the technical information to help you create expressive and dynamic pastel paintings of any subject. Some of what I'll be presenting to you in this workshop are basic principles, which are important even for the very experienced painter to revisit over and over. And there are some more advanced concepts which will take time and mileage behind the easel to incorporate into your work. Be kind and patient with yourself. We start with the basics of value, color, and mark making. Then we move towards translating a scene into a strong pictorial arrangement, a composition. We'll discuss a little color theory, how best to use photo reference, and how to set up a still life. I've organized all these videos in a systematic way so you can achieve the maximum benefit in your study of pastels. This is where the magic happens, a strong understanding of value, color, and composition that will provide you with the necessary tools to create art with a timeless aesthetic and appeal. This online workshop covers everything you need to know to get started: what pastels to buy, what surfaces to use, and how to set up your space. It includes a powerful warm-up exercise and step-by-step projects. I hope you'll join me for the study of the exciting and dynamic medium of pastel.